So now let's figure out why are trees important. So first, it absorb and store carbon, provide useful wood and medicinal ingredient, and it also provide greenery, beauty, and peace. And the leaves and a dead tree provide nutrition for the other plant. So tree also provide food, shelter, and habitat for wildlife. It also create much needed oxygen and the physical barrier trapping pollutant, noise, and dust. So the roots also stabilize soil and stop soil loss and flooding.
So how tree absorb and store carbon? So trees are known as carbon sink because of their ability to share carbon. This is done through a process called photosynthesis. Trees absorb carbon through their leaves and turn them into sugar needed for them to grow.
So now let's move forward on how tree provide useful wood and medicinal ingredient. So the protective outer layer of the tree that is formed by a layer living cells above the wood. Active ingredients are often in high concentrations in the bark. Example of the bark used for medicinal properties are quinine bark, oak bark, pepper bark, and the willow bark. So how tree provide greenery, beauty, and peace? Tree provide to their environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate amelioration, conserving water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. During the process of photosynthesis, trees take in carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen we breathe. So now let's talk about on how leaves and dead trees provide nutrition for the other plants. Dead woods break into nutrition such as carbon, nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Their nutrient enrich the soil near decaying woods, helping new plants grow and keep living ones healthy as nutrients are reabsorbed. So let's tackle now on how trees provide food, shelter, and habitat for wildlife. Dead trees and down woods play an important role in ecosystems by providing wildlife habitat, recycling nutrients, aiding plant regeneration, decreasing erosion, and influencing drainage and soil moisture and carbon storage, among other values. So how tree create much needed oxygen for us humans? So tree absorb carbon dioxide through their leaves and break it down, releasing oxygen into the air. One mature tree can produce enough oxygen for up to 18 people depending on the size and the type of the tree.
So how tree be a physical barrier trapping pollutions, noise, and dust? So a tree remove gaseous air pollution primarily by uptaking via leaf stomata through some gases are removed by the plant surface. Once inside the leaf, gases diffuse into intercellular. So how tree roots stabilize soil and stop soil loss and flooding? So trees have various properties that help determine soil erosion, including their expansive roots system, large canopies, and their transpiration process. So that are the important role of a tree in our ecosystem and in our wildlife. So we should take care of our environment and in our forest. So now let's learn the 6 steps of planting tree properly. So the first step, choose a location that will allow the roots to spread and branches to grow freely, away from building, foundation wall, desk, window, and power lines. So the second step is dig a hole as deep as root ball and 2 times as wide. So the third step, remove the tree from its containers and place the root ball in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root is a soil level. Step 4. Fill the hole until the soil of the plant and even with the surrounding soil surface. Step 5. Gently lump the soil around the tree to remove air pockets. So lastly is the step 6. Water the tree well and add 2 inches or 5 centimeter layer of mulch such as shredded bark around the planting area. Continue to water regularly for 3 years after planting until the plant is well established. So that's are the proper 6 steps of planting trees.
Life could not exist on Earth without trees because they produce most of oxygen that humans and wildlife breathe. So we should take care of our environment, plant more trees instead of cutting them. We should water them instead of burning the forest. All of our execution will bump into us. We are also the one who will suffer if we abuse the beauty of our nature.
So that's all. Thanks for watching.